fuel that fills your truck, to the coffee in your cup. Don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank a farmer. Yeah, think back to that hayfield filled with girls and four wheels, sneaking off with her for that first time. You can thank a farmer. I still believe that Amber waves a grain man on his knees, praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on and get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Oh, I think it's time we all thank a farmer. From the blacktop roads you ran that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands, you can thank a farmer.